How are you all? Hope you all are well. Okay, my dear kids, we finished on lesson 14th lesson. 14th, not. We finished the 13th lesson, right? Yeah. Jahan Pahiya hai. That lesson we finished. Have you understood that lesson? Have you read that lesson? So many informations we got from that lesson, right? Okay, today we are going to revise the notes. Part 13, Jahan Pahiya hai. अर्थ सामाजिक आंदोलन सोशल मूवमेंट सामाजिक आंदोलन सोशल मूवमेंट नवसाक्षर नियोलिटरेट स्वाधीनता इंडिपेंडेंस प्रतियोगिता कंपटीशन प्रशिक्षण शिविर ट्रेनिंग कैंप बिक्री कर विभाग सेल्स टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट बिक्री कर विभाग सेल्स टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट उत्पादकों प्रोड्यूसर्स परिवहन व्यवस्था ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम बालवाड़ी किंडरगार्टन हैसियत कैपेसिटी ओके अंग्रेज़ी से हिंदी अनुवाद दिस इज़ माई राइट व्हाट इज़ द हिंदी दैन यह मेरा अधिकार है दिस इज़ माई राइट यह मेरा अधिकार है नाउ वी कैन गो एनीवेयर अब हम कहीं भी जा सकते हैं नाउ वी कैन गो एनीवेयर हम कहीं भी जा सकते हैं वी डोंट हैव टू डिपेंड ऑन एनीवन हमें किसी पर निर्भर नहीं रहना पड़ता हमें किसी पर निर्भर नहीं रहना पड़ता वी डोंट हैव टू डिपेंड ऑन एनीवन आई विल नेवर लीव इट मैं कभी इसे नहीं छोड़ूंगी आई विल नेवर लीव इट मैं कभी इसे नहीं छोड़ूंगी ऑफ कोर्स दिस केस इज़ नॉट ओनली इकोनॉमिक बेशक यह मामला केवल आर्थिक नहीं है यह मामला केवल आर्थिक नहीं है प्रश्न और उत्तर पुदुकोट्टई जिला किस प्रांत में पड़ता है पुदुकोट्टई जिला तमिलनाडु में है पुदुकोट्टई जिला किस प्रांत में पड़ता है पुदुकोट्टई जिला तमिलनाडु में है ग्रामीण महिलाओं ने साइकिल को किस रूप में चुना है ग्रामीण महिलाओं ने साइकिल को स्वाधीनता आज़ादी और गतिशीलता के रूप में चुना है ग्रामीण महिलाओं ने साइकिल को किस रूप में चुना है ग्रामीण महिलाओं ने साइकिल को स्वाधीनता आज़ादी और गतिशीलता के रूप में चुना है साइकिल का प्रयोग सबसे ज़्यादा कौन करती है नवसाक्षर महिलाएं ही साइकिल का प्रयोग सबसे ज़्यादा करती है साइकिल का प्रयोग सबसे ज़्यादा कौन करती है नवसाक्षर महिलाएं ही साइकिल का प्रयोग सबसे ज़्यादा करती हैं copy the notes and learn the notes okay today then we are going to start on new lesson सूरदास के पद part 15 सूरदास के पद write on the up of it today's date 5/3/2021 शुक्रवार write on the up of it okay when I am reading you have to listen carefully with me okay मैया कबही बटे की छोटी we learned the Surdas Kabir Das Pad, right? This one Surdas, another one poet like Kabir Das. He is what we will say. He is a Krishna Bhakt. Krishna Bhakt means he is fond of Krishna, Lord Krishna. He is the follower of Lord Krishna. So he used to say about mostly in his path about Lord Krishna only. Okay, listen carefully. मैया कबही बटे की चोटी कितनी बार मोही दूध पियत फई यह अजहू है चोटी तू जो कहती बल्कि बेणी जो है लांबी मोटी काटत गृहत निभावत जे है नागनी सी फुही लोटी कांजोई दूध पियावत पची पची देती न माकन रोटी सूर चिर जीवो दोवु फैया हरि हलदर की चोटी Maya means mother. Mother. Kabahi means when. When. Badegi today. Choti means hair. Choti means hair. Then. Kitty means how many. Doodh, milk, you know, right? Piyat, to drink. To drink. Ajahu means today also, or still. Choti, small. Finished. Then. Katat, to make hair. Not make hair means tying the hair, okay? Then. Nuahat means shower. Nuahat. Shower. Oh, one line we missed, right? Okay. Tujo kahati. Bal means Balaram, okay? Balram, brother of Sri Krishna. Beni, hair. Lambi, moti, long and thick. Long and thick. Then another line we finished. Not finished. The last one. Nagin, snake, okay? Nagini, snake. Snake. Fui, earth. Then. Kanjo means raw. Kacha. Doodh piyavat. Pachi pachi. Pachi pachi means always. Deti na makhan roti. Sor chirjevo. Do means both. Hari Haldar ki jodi. Hari Haldar means Hari means Krishna. Haldar means Balram. Krishna and Balaram. Jodi means pair. Pair. Have you written the meanings, my dear kids? Okay, listen carefully then. मैया कबही बटे की जोड़ी. मैया श्री कृष्ण बालपन में यशोदा से पूछते हैं कि उनकी चोटी कब बढ़ेगी. श्री कृष्ण is asking to his mother Yashoda that my hair when it will grow. मेरी कबही बढ़ेगी चोटी. My hair when it will grow. कितो बार मोही दूध पियत फई. कितनी बार how many times I have drink the milk. How many times I have drink the milk. यह अजहू है छोटी. Still it is very small only. My mother, when my hair will grow, I was drinking milk always. Then even why my hair is still small. तू जो कहती बल्कि बेनी जो. You are telling that Balram having long hair. Hey, lambi moti. His hair is very long and thick. Like that hair for me also it will come. Like that you are telling na. Katat grihat. You are only making my hair. Nuhavat jehe. You are only making me to shower. Everything. Nagini si fui loti. You are telling that my hair will lie down on the earth like a snake. It will fall down till like Nagini. Nagini means like not snake means no snake. Snake god is there na. His hair will be lengthy like a it will lie on the floor. So he is telling that you told na you my hair will be like Balram, his hair is very long and thick, and my hair also will come like that. Why my hair is not growing? Why my hair is not growing like Nagini? Like that he is asking. Kanju doodh piyavat pachi pachi. Every time I am drinking only the raw milk. Always drinking the raw milk. Deti na makhan roti. You are not at all giving me roti and makhan. Makhan roti means butter and roti. Okay, makhan means butter, roti chapati or something. So you are not giving even butter and roti. You are always giving milk. Then even my hair is not growing. Why? Sur Chirjeevo dovu faya hari haldar ki jodi. So Surdas is telling that चिरजीवो दो फैया बोथ लाइक व्हाट वी विल से। सूरदास जी कहती है कि इसी सुंदर लीला दिखाने वाले दोनों फाई कृष्ण और बलराम की जोड़ी बनी रहे। लाइक दिस naughtiness and are showing Balram and Sri Krishna, that pair should live for long years. Like that he is telling. Surdar is telling. So that much roti, because even for small hair he is this much naughtiness he is showing. So that pair should live for long years. Like that Surdas is telling. So what is the meaning of this? I will stay first in Hindi. श्री कृष्ण बालपन में यशोदा से पूछते हैं कि उनकी चोटी कब बढ़ेगी, यह आज तक क्यों नहीं बढ़ी, वाई इट डिडंट ग्रो स्टिल। वहाँ माँ यशोदा से शिकायत करते हैं कि तुम मुझसे कहती है कि जैसे बलराम भैया की लंबी मोटी चोटी है मेरी भी वैसे हो जाएगी। यू टोल्ड ना माई और बलराम ब्रदर हैविंग लॉन्ग एंड थिक हेयर, लाइक दैट हेयर फॉर मी ऑल्सो इट विल कम। तू मेरे बाल बनाती, यू आर ओनली मेकिंग माई हेयर, यू आर ओनली वॉशिंग दैट, यू आर ओनली क्लीनिंग दैट। यह नागिन की तरह भूमि पर क्यों नहीं लेटती, वाई इट इज़ नॉट फ्लोइंग ऑन द एर्थ। तो मुझे सिर्फ बार बार दूध पिलाती है और ऑलवेज मेकिंग मी टू ड्रिंक मिल्क ओनली। माखन व रोटी खाने को नहीं देती है और नॉट एट ऑल गिविंग बटर एंड रोटी फॉर मी, इसलिए ये बड़ी नहीं होती। सो दैट ओनली इट इज़ नॉट ग्रोइंग। सो सूरदास इज टेलिंग दैट ऐसी सुंदर लीला दिखाने वाले दोनों भाई कृष्ण और बलराम की जोड़ी बनी रहे। लाइक दिस दोस हु आर शोइंग दिस naughtiness they should live for long years. That is only that para. Then next para, तेरे लाल मेरो माखन खायो, दोपहर दिवस जानी खर सोनो, ढूंढी डंडरी आबही आयो, खोली किवारी पौंडी मंदिर में, दूध दही सब साकनी खवायो, ऊखल चढ़ी सींगे को ली हो, अनफावत फुई में दरकायो, दिन प्रतिहानी होती गोरस की, यह डोटा कोने डंग लगायो लायो, सूर श्याम कौ हडगी न राखे, ते ही पूत अनोखे जाए। Here what is telling that, first we will write the meanings, okay? Lal means sun, S-O-N, sun, okay? Makhan, roti, butter, we learned in the previous para. Then Dupahar means afternoon. Afternoon. Then Dondi, search. Apahi means himself, he himself. Ayo keli kivari, kivari means door. मंदिर में दूध दही सभी माँ सखनी सगायो, he is only सखनी means friends. Ukhal means mortar means that before and all it was there to crush the rice and all. You can ask to your parents. Okli means what? That crushing for rice or wheat and all, they will use that one. That one only okli. Singe ko loan he anfavat. Anfavat means not looking good. Then darkayo means fall, to fall. Not that. Darkayo, to fall. Din pradi hani, hani loss. Goras, that कि यह टोटा, टोटा means boy. कौन डंग लगाए, डंग, डंग लगाना torturing, torturing. सूर शाम क्यों हटकी न राखे तो पूद, पूद means पुत्र, son. अनोखे strange. जाए given birth, given birth, जाए. Okay, these are the meanings. Listen carefully. Here what telling means Gobiyam. Only Gobiyam is coming and telling something to यशोदा. गोबियम सदा श्री कृष्ण की शिकायत यशोदा माँ से करती रहती है. एक गोबी यशोदा जी से कहती है कि मैं तेरे लाल मेरो माखन खायो. योर सन इज कमिंग एंड टेकिंग माई बटर एंड ईटिंग. दोपहर दिवस जानी घर सुनो ढूंढरी डंडरी आप ही आयो. In afternoon time and all, my home will be very calm and quiet. No one will be there. That time your son is coming so by searching the butter and he himself coming and eating the butter. Like that one Gobi is telling to, one lady is coming and telling to Yashoda. खोली किवारी बेटी मंदिर में. what he is doing, जब वह हमारे मंदिर के दरवाजे खोलकर उसमें घुस जाते हैं. Like opening the door of the temple, he is coming and he is coming inside. दूध दही सब सखन सकायो. What for he, what the milk and all the butter, whatever for his friend also, that also he is drinking. He is not giving to his friends also. No, he is giving to friends and he is eating. Sorry ma, he is giving to his friends and also he is eating. He is not only eating to alone. He will give to his friend also and he will feed them and only he is eating. सो वह हमारे मंदिर के दरवाज़ा खोलकर उसमें घुस जाते तथा अपने मित्रों को दही मक्खन खिला देते हैं. देन वह ओखल चढ़ी, ओखली पर चढ़कर, क्लाइंबिंग ऑन द ओखली, ऑन द मोटर, सींगे को लनिहाए, चीके तक पहुँच जाते हैं. तदा he what that hanging will be there na, butter in a pot only they will be there keeping. So by stepping on the like climbing on that motor, he will climb and he will reach on that. tada makhan kha lete hain. By through that only he is climbing that pot and he will take and eating. Anfavat fui met harkayo. What is that? Then while he is taking that, something will be falling on the earth also, because he is very small. So but when he is climbing up and he is taking and eating means something will fall on the down also. So that is not looking good. Like that Gobiyam is telling. Din pradihani hoti goraski, because of him daily some loss is coming, because everything is wasting. So daily some loss is coming because of him. यह टोटा कौन डगे टंग लायो. योर फ्रेंड, योर son is always giving torture, always torturing us. Like that they are complaining to Yashoda that he is coming and eating the butter, everything, and while eating everything will fall down and so many loss for us if it is coming daily. Like that one he's going opening the temple and he's going inside and he's feeding his friends and only eating. And for why your son is giving this much torture to us. Like that that lady is complaining to Yashoda. Then Sur is telling, Surdas is telling that Sham ko hataki na rakhe to, with anyone we can't keep the see whatever naughtiness he is doing, even we can't keep Sri Krishna aside, we can't throw him outside. Yes, पूत अनोखे जायो ते ही पूत अनोखी. You have given birth for a strange man, strange person, strange son only you have given birth. So Yashoda ji, we can't make him aside. We can't make him aside. He is very special for us. He is you are given you have given birth for a special person, like that Surdas is telling. So whatever complaints they will take, even Surdas is telling that we can't make a Krishna aside because he is a special son Yashoda has given, like that it is telling. So these both are like that only. This first para is like he is asking about when the hair will grow. The second para is what it means that Gobia is coming and complaining to Yashoda. Okay ma, easy only na. Read the lesson, understand the meanings, and read it. Okay, then complete the notes also of the previous lesson. Okay ma, that's all for today. Dhanyavad.